How does the Higgs boson avoid exploding? The quantum world is constantly trying to bloat its mass to cosmic proportions. Two theories propose a rescue plan. Theory 1, supersymmetry. It suggests every particle has a superpartner whose quantum effects are perfectly opposite, cancelling out the danger like a wave meeting its reflection. Theory 2, compositeness. Maybe the Higgs isn't fundamental at all. Maybe it's made of smaller pieces, just like a proton is. This structure would naturally keep it light. But the Large Hadron Collider has looked for both superpartners and signs of smaller pieces. And found nothing. So is the protection just out of reach, or is the answer even stranger? Our main episode audits the evidence.